guys, and welcome back to Hello English Cork, where today I'm going to teach you when to use listen, listen to, or hear. We use hear when we want to say that sounds, music, etc. come to our ears. You can hear something without wanting to. Here's an example. I could hear his music through the wall. We use listen to say that you pay attention to sounds or try to hear something. Here's an example. The audience listened carefully. And we use listen to when we want to say what it is that you were trying to hear. Here's an example. The audience listened to the speaker. Don't forget to like and share, and happy learning. See you next time. Bye.